Hello everyone and Happy New Year! I hope you are so excited for all of the new opportunities that await you in 2021. I wanted to come on here and make this video to talk about all of the exciting new changes that you will see on Weekly Dose of Sunshine for this year and to lay the foundation for all of the ways we can grow together. So let's get started. Cue intro video. Welcome back everyone to Weekly Dose of Sunshine, the channel where I provide you guys with tips and tricks on how to become the happiest and brightest versions of yourself. As I'm sure all of you have, I've been through my fair share of struggles within my lifetime, and that's what inspired me to start this channel. I wanted to come on here and be able to speak from my own personal experience and the things I have been through in hopes of helping you guys who may be going through similar things or help you avoid having to go through it at all. And I'm sorry if that hasn't exactly shown through in the videos I've posted thus far. I just have been trying to find the balance because the last thing I want to do is project my own problems into the situations we talk about, making your problems feel almost irrelevant. And I'm also just slightly awkward about opening up all my issues for the whole entire internet to see. However, I know there is great power within sharing personal experience, and I really want to be able to connect with you guys on a personal level. So like I said, big and exciting news here for the new year when it comes to this channel. Every week we've been covering different topics that have hopefully been providing you with ways to work towards becoming a much happier version of yourself. We are still definitely going to keep doing that. However, Weekly Dose of Sunshine is now going to become threefold. This year, I want to break down my content into 3 different sections: the mind, the body, and the soul. All 3 categories will be broken up into their own playlist down on the channel. What we have already been talking about for the past 12 weeks has been all about the mind. So different topics that cover ways to strengthen your mind, your emotions, your beliefs, thought patterns, your habits, and really everything that goes on upstairs that creates your reality. However, this year I want to start incorporating the next 2 levels, the body and the soul. It is important for me to put all 3 on this channel because they are what make you, you. They work hand in hand to help you create the life of your dreams and help you find the happiness you seek. So, what can you expect from these new 2 tiers? For anyone who's interested, the body playlist will incorporate fitness, nutrition tips, the usual things like that, but also how to love your body no matter where you're at in your journey, all mixed in with my own personal experience. As your average teenage girl, I have spent a lot of my life, unfortunately, honestly hating my body. I feel like almost none of us feel like we actually do genuinely love ourselves and our bodies because we have this idea of how we think we should look. And if we're not that, then we just aren't beautiful. And that's not true. With the body playlist tier category, I really want to help you guys love yourself for who you are when it comes more to your external factors. Because believe me, I have spent years, literal years, going back and forth from starving myself to overeating, to stepping on the scale, to counting calories, to trying different diets and spending hours in the gym, unhealthily picking myself apart in the mirror. Just so many things that are not good that I know a lot of people deal with, suffer with, go through. However, I have learned to love my body and accept it for exactly the way it is, and I would love to share how I've come to do that. I also am currently still struggling with an eating disorder that I was diagnosed with this summer. So I have already found some things that have definitely helped me, but I also think it would be pretty cool to go ahead and document the progress I continue to make as I learn to, I don't want to say like battle or combat it, but rather Well, not even learning to live with it, but rather learning to silence it and no longer let it control my life. And why should you trust me in all of this? Well, outside of my own personal experience and being able to share my own stories and what has worked for me, this year I also will be working to become a certified personal trainer and certified nutritionist. So, as I go along my training and through my program, through the National Association of Sports Medicine, by the way, I would love to come on here and share the things I am learning with you guys. That way I can help you on your journey. Then on the soul level, this playlist and these videos are going to be all about getting in touch with the highest version of yourself. Who are you truly meant to be? What does the life of your dreams look like? What is your purpose on this earth? And it doesn't even have to be a big one. On the days we talk about things on the soul level, we will be reaching into and connecting with the deepest parts of yourself, the truest parts of yourself. We will probably do this in the form of like deep critical thinking questions through journaling. We'll talk about positive affirmations more in depth than we already have, goal setting on a whole new level, shadow work for anyone who may know what that is. And if you guys are even interested, I'd be more than happy to also talk about like meditation, manifesting, and things of those sorts. As I somewhat said before, all 3 of these sections will have their own playlist on my channel for you guys to go and see, so that way if you're not interested in all of them, you can still find the content for the aspect that you resonate with the most. I know this might seem like a lot and like I'm going a little bit too broad, but these 3 different components are really what have helped me find my true happiness and have really put me on my genuine life path and gotten me in touch with who I really feel like I'm supposed to be. I have a deep passion for each of them, and I would love to just share all that I know to help you guys get in touch with who you want to be as well. Because I did seriously make this channel with the intention of spreading light and positivity throughout the globe. And it is by far my #1 goal for 2021. I do not know yet if I'm going to stick to posting just on Sundays. Definitely keep expecting videos every Sunday, but for the body and the soul, I might give them their own days, or I just might rotate through all 3 topics on Sundays. Don't know for sure, but I will keep you guys updated. Regardless, I just want to say thank you so much for all of the support I have received thus far. I am very, very, very excited to see what 2021 has in store for all of us. I hope to keep seeing you guys around on Sundays so we can grow and learn together. Please keep spreading my content around if you are finding it helpful with those who you think it would benefit. And not to be cheesy, but let's make 2021 the year for us. No more waiting. It's time to turn our dreams into reality. I'll catch you guys next Sunday and have a fantastic week. And as always, don't forget to let that inner sunshine in you glow. Until next time. And I be feeling so